guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the tattoo filter thing on TikTok. So I'm talking about this effect. Let's go to discover and search for tattoo filter. Okay, so I'm talking about this filter. Actually this filter is not from TikTok, this filter is from Snapchat. So for that you need to have Snapchat. This is the filter in Snapchat. This is called neon lines. To get this effect in Snapchat, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. Just tap on the snap code and open with Snapchat. Unlock for 48 hours. Okay, and you got the effect. So what you have to do, you have to record a video here. I don't have any tattoo, so I can't show you particularly in a tattoo, but you can. Now let's save it. Now let's go to TikTok. Okay, now let's open the camera. Now tap on the upload button. Now here is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. If you want to edit something, you can edit and you can share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this tattoo filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.